Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. And if you're just viewing my channel for the first time, welcome to my channel. And on this channel, I make DIY videos on hijabs, jilbabs, modest outfits. So if that's the kind of content you're looking for, do well to subscribe. And don't forget to tap the notification bell to be notified for more videos. So today's story is on how to make this instant hijab or double up hijab with side pleats. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using 72 inches by 30 inches fabric or 103 centimeter by 76 centimeter fabric. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to hem all the sides of my fabric. I'm going to hem all the sides first. And if you feel hemming is stressful, you can just overlock it with an overlocking machine. But I prefer to hem it. So I'll just go ahead and hem all the sides. And I'll show you after I'm done. So after hemming all the sides, this is what I'm going to have. So the next thing I'm just going to do is I'm going to mark 26 inches at the edge there, or 66 centimeter. So I'm just going to check that all around. Then I'm going to connect all the points. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to fold my fabric to meet that 26 inches point. After which I'm going to insert my head circumference or my hijab opening. So my head circumference is 20 divided by 2, so that's 10 inches or 25 centimeter. So I'll just go ahead and check that. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to stitch from that my head circumference point to the 26 inches point. So I'm stitching about 3 inches. So I'm just going to pin it. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine to stitch on it. So after stitching, we'll have something like this. So the next thing I'm just going to do is I'm going to come to the other edge and I'm going to take 25 inches or 65 centimeter. So I'm just going to mark 25 inches or 65 centimeter. So I'm just going to connect all the points. And then for regular double loop hijab, I have the tutorial of that on my channel, also you can check it out. I'll drop the link in the description box in case you haven't checked it out. So what I'm just going to do now is that on that line, I'm going to start forming pleat there. And this pleat, it depends on how big you want yours to be or how small you want it to be. But I'm just going to make a normal 1-inch pleat. So it's going to be kind of small. So I'm just going to start pleating. So I'm just forming pleats. So I'm done forming pleats, so we should have something like this after forming the pleats. So So what I'm just going to do next is that I'm just going to fold that pleated side. So I'm going to fold the pleated side. And then I'm going to measure 11.5 inches or 30 centimeters. So I'll just take my tape from the pleated part there. Then I'll measure 11.5 inches or 30 centimeters. So I'm just going to check that part. And then from the chalked part, I'm going to come down by half an inch or 1.5 centimeters. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to stitch from the point. I'm going to stitch just that half an inch or 1.5 centimeter point. And I'm going to back stitch on it to just secure it. So after stitching, we should have something like that. So this is the finished look of a hijab, and it's quite easy. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with hijab lovers also. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you have any comments also. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, inshallah. So this is just like the styling process. And I'm Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to tap the subscribe button and then tap the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Yeah, thank you so much for the support and for watching my videos. I'll see you in the next one, inshallah. Bye.